Experiencing issues with your Total Wireless service? The most common causes are network outages and SIM card malfunctions. Recent Verizon network upgrades in late September 2025 caused a 12-hour outage affecting about 15% of users, particularly in urban areas. If you suspect an outage, check Total Wireless's app or website for official announcements. For SIM card issues, start by restarting your device. Ensure the SIM card is properly inserted. If you see a no service error, the SIM card might be damaged. Contact Total Wireless support for a free replacement if needed. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, the problem might be with your access point name settings. Incorrect APN settings can block data access. You can use diagnostic tools in the Total Wireless app to verify and reset your APN. In some cases, you may need to manually enter the APN settings. Also, make sure your phone's IMEI is compatible and unlocked for the Verizon network. Keeping your device updated is essential. As Total Wireless relies on Verizon's network, monitoring Verizon's status page for alerts can provide early warnings of potential disruptions.